This is what we call an agency dashboard. So you only see this as an agency owner, okay? Your clients won't be seeing this. So this is where you're going to be able to manage all of the different sub-accounts. You'll be able to import and create snapshots, resell different services, a bunch of more, okay? So the way to differentiate between the agency dashboard and the sub dashboard is you'll see if I click on this here, you'll see that these are going to be the accounts that are in this agency account. All right. So for example, if I go to this sub account here, which is a demo account, this is going to be the sub account dashboard. So this is what your client will have access to. Okay. And then for you, you can jump in and out between the different sub accounts dashboards and basically see everything that they're seeing. And when you're ready to switch to an agency dashboard, then you just click on this here. Now, here are a few ways for you to get support. So the first is through the bootcamp. So if you use my link and you sign up for the bootcamp, you can go to the live bootcamp call. It happens every day at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So you spend about an hour with the team to get everything set up, including all of the software setup, okay? The other way is for you to book a one-on-one kickoff call. So I'll put the link in the description. It's basically a Zoom call where you'll have one of the high-level support team member who will get on a call with you, and then they'll help you get everything set up. Now, the other way is for you to click on this question mark icon on the top right-hand corner, and then you can start a Zoom call with them, or you can start a chat with them. I would say those are the best ways for you to get in front of someone, especially if you have an urgent issue. You can also raise a ticket, but I recommend just starting a quick chat or a Zoom call. All right. So the next step, we're going to start to white label this for your business. So what that means is we're basically going to use your own branding and domain. And so here's how we're going to get everything set up. All right. So first of all, I want to go through, there are two kinds of dashboards. So I already have most of my stuff set up, but I'm going to basically show you what you'll need to make sure to set up on. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to company. And then you want to make sure to have the company name, email. If you have the phone number, put it in here. You want your website to be in here, and then make sure to choose these categories and the niche thing, okay? So all the ones that are in red, those are going to be the required information. So make sure to have those in. And then here is where you can white label the domain. So right now, the domain is under app.gohighlevel.com. So if I want to use my own domain, then I can easily do it by just adding my own subdomain here. Now, to set that up is very, very simple. So all you'll have to do is add in your domain, and then in front of it, put the name, whatever name you want in front of it, and then end it with a period. So I recommend just using app.yourdomain.com. Okay, so something like that. You can do that. And when you're ready to add it, you'll just click on the button, and then it will show you exactly how to do that. Okay. Once you have your white label link set up, you can easily access the software using your white label link. So basically, it will have your own branding. So you can see here, I have my logo, and then I'm using my own domain for the software. So it's going to look very professional because you have your own logo and you have your own domain for this software. You can also white label all of the domains that this software will produce. So what that means is, for example, if you have a calendar link, right now, if you don't white label it, it'll say leadconnector.com/da, right? But you can make it your own domain. So I would just put link.yourdomain.com. And then it's the same process, just connect it to your hosting site, and then you'll have the two domains white label, okay? Make sure to also have your logo here so that it changes here. Otherwise, the Go High Level logo will be the one that is going to be showing up on the top left, all right? Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure to have the address and the time zone. This is super, super important because we want to make sure that it's the right time zone, or else all of the messaging and the emails, they're going to get messed up. So this is very applicable for not just the agency, but also each sub account. So when you're setting it up for your clients, make sure to put in the correct time zone. Otherwise, the automations, the emails, those are going to be triggering at the wrong time. You can leave the rest the way it is, but I would just copy what I have here and just check off the ones that you need to check off. All right.